Okay, so yes, the crypto market is currently not looking good, especially with the good news that's been happening with the government shutdown. We know there's been a lot of manipulation in the whole crypto market. The crypto bubble is looking decent. Dash is down 52% in the last week after exploding all the way from $40 to as high as 139. It even went higher on some exchanges. I mean, this thing absolutely went parabolic. But overall, this is the whole crypto market right now in the last week. In the last day, we got some cryptos absolutely getting destroyed with some privacy coins such as Zcash and Dash pretty much down, and Monero down 10, 20 to 30% just in the last 24 hours alone. And the big question that a lot of you guys are asking is, will we see an altcoin season again? Now, I know a lot of you guys, when they're looking at altcoin season, they're looking at this chart right here, which is the 90-day chart. This is not the chart you want to see, because every time we come above the 75 on the altcoin season chart, a lot of people are like, oh, it's altcoin season. Yeah, it's altcoin season for like 2 days. And then we see a massive dump in altcoins. Now, I do think we will see an altcoin season only on the yearly chart. We need to see this thing going up on the yearly chart. And we have not seen this thing going up on the yearly chart above 60, 50, 60% since 2020, 2021. So until we don't see the 60, the 60 on the whatever average or index, we're not going to see an altcoin season. Now, are we really going to see an altcoin season? I really don't know. I really don't know. A lot of people got liquidated. Institutions are manipulating altcoins. It's really, really difficult. But what I could say is that it is probably better for you to trade than hold a bunch of altcoins that will go to zero. For example, KDA. I believed in KDA for the longest time. Their tech was there until the team announced that, the bear market has been going on for too long, and pretty much they just couldn't keep sustaining the project anymore. A lot of project after that $20 billion liquidation event, which happened on October 10th, which we saw many projects tank 90 to 95%, even 100% in a matter of 20 minutes. It's going to be very, very hard to for projects to essentially make a comeback from that. Now, KDA, remember, it was sitting at 37 cents back on about a month ago exactly from now. Okay. And since then, this thing is down 96%. Now, of course, is only an example. If we have a look at the 2 week, I mean, KDA eventually was traded at $28, which I really, really thought that, it was going to essentially make a comeback, but that's not the situation. But if we have a look right here, something that I want to look at on Bitcoin is something very, very interesting, actually. First of all, yes, the market is currently bleeding right now. It's a little bit boring. Things are not fun. But every time we have a green diamond on Bitcoin, okay, we saw it right here. We saw it right here. We saw it right here. And now we're seeing it right here. Every time we are seeing this green diamond, we have an average pump of 8.33%. Now, can we see Bitcoin come back and retest the POC level? I think this would be a fantastic, fantastic selling opportunity, or at least a take profit opportunity. There's a lot of demand right here, a lot of volume. I think this is where the supply and demand is right here, sitting at $111,000 point of control. I do think that we could see a nice little move. Now, if we do break above that with volume, and we go, let's say, to 112, 115, that's going to be super, super bullish for altcoins. Now, of course, this indicator is an indicator only that I use. It's very expensive, about $10,000. I'm not here to sell it to you guys. But if you guys do want to get access to all my trades and get free VIP, make sure you guys sign up in the link in the description below, or join the Discord. It is absolutely free. Make sure you guys check on how to unlock VIP right here or get the free VIP access. Make sure you guys follow these details. And of course, if you do sign up with BYD-Fi, you could get a $1,000 bonus if you deposit $5,000. Okay, so not only in order to get VIP, you need to sign up with BYD-Fi and trade on BYD-Fi, but you get free VIP access, which you can make multiple X. So of course, if you're a good trader, no worries. You could do whatever you want, but pretty much that's about it. Now, regarding the altcoin season, I do want to be a little bit optimistic over here, because I know a lot of you guys think that an altcoin season is never coming. And even though I do think that, or I did think that for a long time, this is probably one of the biggest indicator that we have to see. And we could see right here that the exponential moving average have been trending towards the upside. And ever since we broke down, obviously a lot of money has been flowing to the altcoins. But recently, in the past 8 weeks, a lot of money has been reflowing back into Bitcoin. And now we're retesting these EMA ribbons and we're getting rejected multiple times. So not just once or twice. We got rejected like 5, 6 times right here at these exponential moving average. Okay, so we're gonna have to pay key attention to these EMA ribbons to see if the Bitcoin dominance can flip back above. And of course, stochastic RSI are reaching an overbought region on the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, so it looks like Bitcoin might be a little bit tired. It looks like it's not as strong as it used to be, and investors might be looking to put their money into altcoins, which means that the Bitcoin dominance will essentially fall down. So that's what's happening right now at the very moment. We do have to be a little bit optimistic, but we're gonna have to see. If you guys do want to sign up with BYD once again and get access to all my trades, make sure you guys sign up. The link's in the description below. If you deposit $5,000, you got a $1,000 bonus. This thing does end November 15th, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace out, fam.